going to take it nice and steady. I'm probably going to call in at Cheney's. I'll report back in a minute. Bye for now.
Ziggy played guitar, jamming good with Weird and Gilly and the Spiders from Mars. He played it left hand, but made it too far.
We're on a shakedown ride today, as I mentioned before, on the new Chameleon. Here we are, train station car park as usual. Santander's come on quite a lot, hasn't it? Looking great. New bike. Just caught one rolling in.
But made it too far. Became the special man. Then we were Ziggy's band. Ziggy really sang. Screwed up eyes and screwed down hairdo, like some cat from Japan. He could lick 'em by smiling, he could leave 'em to hang. They came on so loaded, man, well hung in snow white tan. So where were the spiders while the fly tried to just the beer like to guide us? So we bitched about his fans and should we crush his sweet hands? Oh. Ziggy played for time, jiving us that we were kids were just crass. He was the Nas with God-given ass. He took it all too far, but boy could he play guitar. Making love with his ego, Ziggy sucked up into his mind, like a killed a man, I had to break up the band. Oh yeah. Ziggy played